In order to create a table inside of a web page, you would use the table element. So we're going to create this table right over here. So the syntax for that would be this: table and the end tag for table. So now I want to draw your attention to something. If you have a look at this table over here, okay, you can see that it has name, age, country. Now what are these? Well, this is the heading for the columns, okay, and this is a row. So our table consists of 1 2 3 4 rows. Now we want to put inside of our HTML also 4 rows, and the way to do that is by using the table row element. Okay, so we have table row and end tag for table row, and this must be nested inside the table tags. Okay, that's important. So we have now 4 rows. Now the question is, how do we create columns inside of this? Well, there's two tags for that. There's 2 tags for creating columns, and you would use either of them in different situations. The first one is the table data, and the other one is the th. This table data is used for the data of the table. Th is used for the heading. So name, age, and country are the headings. I'm just going to create some space here for the row. Now inside of table row, I can put the heading inside like that, and end tag. Okay, so now this is one column. Now if I want to create another column, then I'm going to use this again. And by the way, let me just show you this by running this. If I refresh, you can see that this is the name, and you don't really see our table as yet, like properly, and that's because we haven't included the data members or the data text. Okay, so where is our table gone to? Here. Now name, age, and country are all in the same row. That's why we're just going to copy this, and they are all headings. That's why we're using th there, because they are headings. So age and country, like that. So if I go back over here, you can see that it's looking like that. Then over here for table row, I can do the same, but I'm going to use the td. Table row, let me just enter. Okay, so td and td, like that. So I'm just putting that in there, and I can put in the text. So I'm just gonna write Harry, and then I'm gonna write the age, which is 28, and the country, which is Britain. Now I can copy this row entirely, or let's just copy the data inside of the row, not the row entirely. Okay, I'm just gonna now put this inside of here, and go ahead and also change the text. So John, and he is 35, and he's from USA. And then we have Ram. So Ram 19 from Nepal. Okay, done. Now let's just go back to our file and just refresh. You can see that it looks like a table, but there's no border for the table, and that's because we haven't specified one. So if you want a border, you can come over here to the table tag and you can add an attribute called border equal to, and let me just try black for now. For example, you can see that it gives us a border of black. If I want to let me try this, border equal to n. Of course it's giving us a border. So you just want to write something in here in order for you to get a border. And another thing is that if you want to style this a bit further, this table, then you can use the style attribute, which is used for CSS, and you can adjust the width, for example, make it 100%, so it takes the 100% of the screen, the browser screen, that is. Okay, and then we can make it, let me just refresh this, by the way. So you can see it takes the full length of the screen or the full width of the screen, and then we can align the text inside of each of the cells of the table by using text align. Text align equal to center. I'm going to center the text, and that doesn't work. It's because I think I made a syntax error. Should be looking like that. Okay, that works. Text align is center. Now it's centered. Perfect. Then we can also collapse the border. So if you don't want these double borders to appear, then you can say border collapse, and you can select collapse. So you can see the borders are collapsed now. It's a single border, unlike previously where it was a double border.